Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change document format in OneDrive on computer. So how to change document format in OneDrive on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the OneDrive application on your computer or laptop. And this is the OneDrive display. Just point the cursor to the right of the screen. Here there are several menu icons. Tap this setting menu. And a menu will appear below like this. Tap the option menu. Now here you will enter the setting menu. Here there are lots of choices. Tap the Office File Formats menu. And a menu will appear like this. Here there are two options that you can choose according to what you will use. This feature allows users to change the document format in OneDrive on the computer to adjust compatibility or usage needs. So that's it, tutorial how to change document format in OneDrive on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.